Artificial intelligence has become a focal point of modern technological advancement, eliciting both excitement and concern. Artificial intelligence is occupying the minds of businesses, governments, and citizens around the world. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Talking about the wonders of AI, it is revolutionizing in different fields. In healthcare advancements, AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling early diagnosis of diseases, personalized treatment plans, and efficient management of patient care. AI powered tools can analyze medical data with high accuracy, leading to better outcomes. In automation and efficiency, AI automates repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency in various industries. From manufacturing to customer service, AI systems enhance productivity and allow human workers to focus on more complex tasks. In enhanced user experiences, AI improves user experiences through personalized recommendations, smart assistants, and natural language processing. These advancements make technology more intuitive and accessible. In scientific research, AI accelerates scientific discovery by processing vast amounts of data quickly. It aids in fields like genomics, climate modeling, and drug discovery, pushing boundaries of what we can achieve. In innovative applications, AI is driving innovation in areas such as self driving cars, smart cities, and advanced robotics. These technologies have the potential to transform daily life and improve societal infrastructure. Its impact has grown dramatically in recent years, driven by the growth of computing power and the use of vast amounts of data to train the computers. But the worry of AI includes job displacement. Automation and AI can lead to job displacement as machines perform tasks traditionally done by humans. Ethical dilemmas. AI poses ethical challenges such as bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and the potential misuse of AI in surveillance and warfare. Security risks. AI systems can be vulnerable to hacking and other cyber threats. Dependence on AI. Over reliance on AI can lead to a loss of critical skills and human judgment. Unintended consequences. The unpredictable nature of AI development may lead to unintended consequences. 87% of respondents believe AI will fundamentally transform the way their businesses operate and reflects the significant impact AI is expected to have across various industries. This high percentage indicates a strong consensus among business leaders about the transformative potential of AI. Let's look into today's headlines. Reliance retails JioMart to narrow its grocery delivery time to 30 minutes. Mukesh Ambani owned Reliance Group's JioMart will narrow its delivery time to 30 minutes as quick commerce gains traction. While it will start 30-minute delivery in the top 8 metros next month, the grocery retailer will scale it up to top 20 to 30 cities as part of phase 1 of its quick delivery. Orders will be serviced from its network of stores, which stands at over 3,500. Apple might be working on TV and sports app for Android phones. Apple is seeking to help build a television and sports app for Android, signaling that the company is finally bringing its TV Plus service to the rival smartphone platform. Apple said it's looking for someone to lead the development of fun new features and help build an application used by millions to watch and discover TV and sports. The move also suggests that the company is looking to gain market share in video streaming. Checkpoint Software opens its second largest global office in Bengaluru. Checkpoint Software has announced the opening of its new office in Bengaluru to meet the growing demands of industry customers looking for prevention first security solutions within India. With a spacious layout spanning 42,700 square feet and capacity for over 350 seats, this new office is designed to foster production and productivity. This office now stands as the company's second largest globally, trailing behind its headquarters in Israel. OpenAI CEO pledges with his partner to give away most of his wealth. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has joined billionaires who have pledged to give away the majority of their wealth. Sam Altman, who recently achieved billionaire status, signed the giving pledge with his partner Oliver Mulherin. Sam Altman does not hold equity in OpenAI, but his wealth comes from his diverse investment portfolio, which includes stakes in companies like Reddit and Stripe. Microsoft unveils Copilot bot for Telegram users. Microsoft has introduced an official Copilot bot within the messaging app Telegram, which will allow users to search, ask questions, and converse with the AI chatbot. Currently in beta, Copilot for Telegram is free for users on both mobile and desktop. An official Microsoft bot is verified with a checkmark and the username @Copilot official bot. Users can chat with Copilot for Telegram like a regular conversation on the app. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.